Welcome back to FireGuard News Weather Channel. I'm your host, Tan Fan. The weather in Houston is looking quite sunny at a nice 75 degrees. Dallas has also have a bit of rain. San Antonio. Whoa. Breaking news. There's a massive wildfire happening at the Roberts County. We have a person on site near the wildfire right now. Cutting to them.
This is Princess Shadrach speaking. And right now, I'm in the event happening in Texas at Smokehouse Creek Fire. There's fire everywhere, and the fire has burnt about 1.3 million acres of land. And to put that in perspective, about 1 acre of land is worth a football field. And this has all happened because of climate change. The weathers are drier and hotter. Let's cut back to that.
Thank you, Princess. I'm here with the fire chief of the Houston Fire Department to talk about the current issues of fighting wildfire with technologies.
Hi, thank you for having me. The technologies that currently exist have some issues, and this includes cost, duration, and scalability. The cost, it costs $7.5 million for a typical aircraft that fights wildfires, and that's like the K-Max, and that's on the lower end. The duration, we can only fight wildfires during the daytime because aircrafts can only be operated during the daytime, but wildfires are becoming more frequent and severe during the nighttime, so we will need to operate and fight wildfires during the nighttime. And the third is scalability. There are increased demand for aerial technology, and we would like to integrate them into the airspace, but unfortunately the airspace is already way too congested, and we need a solution to manage it.
Wow, that was very informative from our fire chief. I really understand how fighting wildfire with technologies nowadays are really difficult. Justin, there are drones from this company called FireGuard drones and reaching out the wildfire site and is doing a phenomenal job. To know more about this current technology, let's cut back to Princess.
The fire has been put out. It's been put out by drones from a new company named FireGuard drones. Now we're going to switch to an operator from FireGuard drones company named Jonah.
Hello, yes, I am the drone operator from FireGuard Drones, and we just took out the Smokehouse Creek fire. Our drone technology uses NASA's UAS IP to enable multiple drones to operate together as a fleet. Our drone technology is a two-part system, the first part being surveillance. Our drones use their infrared cameras to provide data to firefighters on the ground, allowing them to better allocate their resources in a more timely and efficient manner. The second part is suppression. Our drones provide their aerial drops from above, providing support to the boots on the ground. Thank you, and back to you.
So Marco, thanks for coming out today.
Thanks for having me.
So would you like to talk with me about the market of these FireGuard drones?
Absolutely. So yeah, I've been analyzing the market the past week, and I have to say FireGuard Drones is a phenomenal company, and they're doing a great job in the markets. They've been penetrating two major markets, the main two being the drone market, which is a $19.8 billion industry and is growing at a 13% compound annual growth rate. They're penetrating the fire management industry, which is a $2.6 billion market and is expected to grow to a 3.6 by 2028.
Wow, that's a lot of money and opportunities.
Absolutely. And they're crushing the competition because they're providing a quality suppression drone never seen before that is autonomous, and they're doing it for a great cost. To put this into perspective, the Canaan, which was the widely used helicopter of before, was $7.5 million just to buy. Theirs is only $100,000, significantly cheaper. Finally, also, they're a bit safer due to their autonomous software, which is, as I said, revolutionary. So the future is looking bright for FireGuard drones.
Wow, Marco, thank you for your expertise on this program. I hope